Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a late payment on an Affirm loan. So let's get straight into it. It's gonna be a really quick video. The first thing you gotta do is to go to the Affirm's website and sign into your account. You could also use the mobile app if you have that. So once you sign into your account, you just want to click on make a payment, and then you want to select the loan that you want to make a late payment on. And next, just enter the payment amount and select the payment method that you want to use to pay. Next, you got to review and confirm the payment details, and you can make the payment and receive a confirmation. Now you can also review your updated account balance and payment history after the payment has been made, and you want to try to understand any late fees or penalties that are associated with the late payments. And you could just also consider setting up automatic payments just to avoid future late payments. Once you set up automatic payment, it's going to take care of your payments on time. So yeah, that's pretty much it for how to make a late payment on an Affirm loan. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.